Hi, I'm Eric Payson, Technical Services Manager for Syngenta. I'm going to review best practices for using dry flowable pest control products, including why you should incorporate them into your program, how to load the product into various pieces of equipment, and how to apply the product to help ensure the best results. A dry flowable product can be a useful addition to an integrated pest management program. In fact, they've been standard fixtures of cockroach management for many years. They're well suited for controlling tough pest populations in deep harborages, including voids within equipment, false bottoms of cabinetry, and wall voids adjacent to plumbing and equipment. Advion Microflow insect bait with the active ingredient indoxacarb is ideal for these types of treatments. To make a big impact with small application, it's milled to a fine particle size and has an excellent bait matrix, making it highly attractive to target pests like ants, cockroaches, crickets, pantry pests, and more. This can result in better bait consumption and improved mortality with low use rates. One of the great things about this bait is its packaging, which is compatible with multiple electric and power dusters, as well as bulb and bellows dusters. A lot of thought was put into making the packaging simple, convenient, no matter how you choose to go with the flow. The 8-ounce canister can thread directly onto an Exacticide power duster. The included scoop has been sized to the opening of popular hand dusters for easy loading without spills. We even include extra scoops in each case because we know how life on the job goes. The packaging size is intended to be used in an account anywhere you would normally use a dust product. The consistency of Advion Microflow helps it penetrate deeper into harborages, controlling pests breeding in areas inaccessible to gel baits or liquids. Another advantage is that this dry flowable product is a slow-acting bait. This allows pests to easily carry it back to their nestmates, helping eliminate the entire population, even those that don't directly come into contact with the product. Research has revealed that Advion Microflow adheres to the exoskeleton of cockroaches active in treatment zones. When cockroaches return to their harborages, other cockroaches consume those particles during grooming, causing a highly effective secondary transfer killing effect. Before applying, ensure you're wearing the proper personal protective equipment required by the product label. To ensure you're applying in the correct areas, inspect areas likely to be harboring pests. Locating hidden voids may require using a ladder, moving equipment, removing equipment access panels, or drilling discrete holes. Some harborages may be within the housing of equipment motors. Motors provide heat, which allow pests like cockroaches to thrive when combined with moisture and food. Locate vent fans on commercial equipment to avoid applications blowing back. Common inspection areas should include the following: the tops of walk-in freezers, the motor housing on ice makers, behind the service panel on commercial mixers, the vented motor housing on chest or stand-up refrigerators, plumbing penetrations through the wall behind sinks, inside deep fryer bases, behind switch plate covers, the back upper portion of commercial double or triple sinks, from below where the metal backsplash is attached to the wall. Now let's apply this bait into a demonstration void. Note that the bait easily spreads through the void, which makes it highly accessible to feeding cockroaches, ants, crickets, earwigs, and other pests with chewing mouthparts. The bait is also likely to be picked up by these pests and carried back to their harborages.